Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to lock the volume of a wired or wireless earphone in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So if you're using a Android tablets, still the tricks will gonna work for you. So firstly what you need to do is just go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application name as Volume Lock Media Only. Just search this application, and on the first list you will see its application. Just tap on it and tap on install to install this application. Once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening you can see this kind of user interface, right? So on the above you can see lock media volume. Just enable this option, and you will see here you can just set your different volume level depending upon your needs. So I will just keep it in the volume level 3, and below you can see here allow volume to turn down. You can allow this option to allow the volume to turn down even after this option is being locked. Even if you enable this second option, that is allow volume to turn down, that means even it's being locked in 3, you can just lower the volume but you can increase the volume. So I'll just keep it as it is. And the third option, lock volume on device startup. So you can turn on this options if you want to enable this whenever you restart your Android smartphone. You can enable this option also if you want to enable it. And the last option, you can set a password for this volume lock also. So let me enable this password. So you can just put your respective password. Just to give you an example, I have just put a simple password and just click on set password. And now let us close this and let us reopen this. Now it will ask a password. Now click on allow and just put the password in order to use this application. So we have finally locked the media volume to 3. Now let us try to connect our external earphone. So here I'm gonna use a wireless, that is a Bluetooth earphone. So if you have a wired earphones also, still the tricks will gonna work for you. So let me try to connect my Bluetooth earphones. So finally you can see my Bluetooth earphone is being connected right now. As you can see here, it's connected. So now what I will do is I will try to increase the Bluetooth volume. So let me show you. Tap on volume. So let me try to increase it. So you can see here it moved back to the volume level which I have set. So I have set it to the volume level 3. So you can see here, even if I try to increase, so you can see here it automatically is being locked in the request volume. So if you want to unlock the volume again, just go back to the application and you can just turn this off. Now if you turn on the volume also, now you can set your respective volume level. So using this cool application, you can lock the volume of a wired and wireless earphone in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.